Ciao Ducatisti! This is Sam at District Ducati. Hey, look what we have available. We still have a V4R. Special homologated production version so Ducati can race in World Superbike. And it's still available. Another special one. Check this out. The V4 Speciale. This one's number 1418 out of 1500. Very select few of these out there. This one we could see we've already got the full system of Krapovich installed on her. So once these are gone, that's it. No more of these. And we have both of these available to go today. This weekend we have an open house.